Hi, this is Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. Welcome to my video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use the auto needle threader. Now I'm using the Janome Horizon Memory Craft 8200 QCP Special Edition sewing machine, but this is probably similar on most Janome sewing machines. So let's take a look at how to use the auto needle threader. So with your sewing machine threaded at the top, and then you bring it down behind this thread guide bar, and then the needle guard, I guess. You lower the needle threader, run the thread underneath the little plastic bar in the front of the needle threader, across the needle, and on the needle threader is a small metal little hook that sticks out. You wrap the thread around that, and then you just slide the needle threader back up. If your thread gets caught, you can just lower the needle threader like you just saw me do a little bit and then put it back up. You grab a hold of the loop and pull it through the needle. Let's take a look at it from a different angle. Lower my needle threader, run my thread under this little plastic hook here, and then across the front of the needle and back behind, over top of, and pull towards the front. You'll see the little hook that's metal right there, and that's where you want your thread to rest. Holding the thread in your right hand, you raise the needle threader slider up, then grab a hold of the loop of thread and pull the thread through the needle. Then, of course, you would run your needle under your presser foot and towards the back of your sewing machine. Okay, let's try this again. See, I have my thread, I have my sewing machine threaded, all except for going through the needle. So I'm going to hold the thread in my right hand, lower the needle threader, and then I'm going to put the thread under that little plastic hook, across the front of the sewing machine needle, then around towards the back, up and over the little metal hook on the end of the needle threader. Then I raise the needle threader, and sometimes, like you see right there, the thread kind of gets hung up on the needle threader. All you have to do is just lower it slightly and then raise it back up, and it will release that loop of thread. Then you grab a hold of the loop and you pull it through the needle, and you have your needle threaded. Like I said, the only problem I ever have with my needle threader is that loop of thread getting hung up on my needle threader. And if that happens to you, it's a really quick, simple fix. You just lower your needle threader a little bit. It will release that loop of thread. Put the needle threader back up, grab a hold of that loop, and pull it through your needle. So here I am using the needle threader, showing you from the other side of the machine. Here's the thread. It's going under that little plastic hook, goes across the front of my needle, and then towards the back, up and over, and then again towards the front. Yep, just like that. Then I hold the thread in my right hand. Do not let go of the thread, and raise the needle threader. Then you just grab a hold of that loop and pull it from the loop through the needle. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my newsletter so you'll be notified when new tips, tutorials, and patterns are made available. Thank you.